हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यूनिवर्सल जाज। बहुत से कमेंट्स में मैं देख रही हूँ कि व्यूअर्स मुझसे भी कुछ सुनना चाह रहे हैं अपने कमेंट्स के थ्रू। सो हियर आई एम ब्रिंगिंग यू द वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ Q&A सीरीज। मैं दिल से शुक्रिया करती हूँ मेरे उन व्यूअर्स का जो मुझे कंसिस्टेंटली वॉच कर रहे हैं एंड मेरे वर्क को अप्रिशिएट भी कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। So, keeping it short and crisp, let's start with the very first question from Anwar M. Here's the question from Anwar M. Everything you cover is just awesome, but we need more about the showroom. That many more things you have to cover, like sari, etc. Definitely, yes, a lot more to cover yet from that single showroom, as I have clearly mentioned in my vlog that it was my first visit to that showroom and I bought things which I got fascinated to. So for me it was more than shopping vlog rather than the covering point of view. And the main thing is if viewers make a demand, I would really love to make one more vlog, detailed vlog about it, and love to visit it again with covering point of view. So this answer is same for Dozoma, Hip Hop Updates and Deep Huller. I appreciate you guys and thank you so much for your love and support. So here we move to our next question, which is from Kavita Kavya, and the question is: amazing shopping of ethnic wears. I love your choice. Nice vlog, dear. Ethnic wears always be the first choice of every lady. Nice collection, outstanding. Here's my darling. Thank you so much. I know you are always with me with your pretty reviews. So sweet of you. Our next question from Lawrence Whitey. So here's the question. We want detailed vlog, like I need lehenga choli. If there will be beautiful collection, I must buy it from here. So I'll definitely go for a very detailed vlog very soon, as I am already said that it is from only shopping based, not for covering point of view, and it is best in market. So do visit it and you will got your answer. Thank you so much. Though I don't know any of Islamic language, but glad to see your comments and appreciation. So here one Islamic person. The question is, actually many things in YouTube resembles with each other, but your 4K video is very awesome. Nobody goes to that much higher data, higher resolution. Which gear you use? It's certain that many things in the world can be similar or resembles to each other, but it's also true that everybody has this own capability to make or express the vlogs, and this is the only thing which segregates us from the another person. I try my best and you're also loving my vlogs and Universal Jazz, so heartiest thanks. As far my gadget is concerned, then mostly I use my cell phone, iPhone XS Max on my maximum vlogs. Sometimes I use professional cam and drone as well, depending upon the what I want to capture. So here's our next question, JPOL Vlogs. Love to see more vlogs. You are innovative. Thank you, JPOL Vlogs. Thanks for your appreciation. Actually, being innovative is the only one concept behind me and to my channel Universal Jazz. And I hope with my work I'll do justice to my channel and to my vlogs. Next appreciation from Prozone. The question is, you are beautiful. Smarty. This is sweet. Love from Universal Jazz. Thank you so much, Prozone. So friends, our next question from Gaming with Techno Rajat. Where this showroom located? So friends, as I already said, this showroom is located in Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. Kangra is a city and a municipal corporation in Kangra district in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Link you can see on screen. So let's zoom it out. Another question from Supriya Gupta. The way you mention your shopping skills are amazing. Very nice collection and you have ultimate choice. Lovely shopping with Dulhan sarees. Lots of love. Thank you so much, Supriya Gupta, and thanks for your appreciation. Your appreciation, your reviews are really meant to us. So next question is from Alok Mishra. Well, smarty, nice collection. Traveling clips are so flawless. Thank you so much, Alok Mishra. I think you also like my traveling clips, and this is the main question. One question from traveling clips. Otherwise, all are meant to just shopping purpose. But I'm loving it that you like my traveling part also. Thank you so much. Friends, in Q&A series, in every episode, we will cover just 5 to 10 question answers. And I'll do my job right now. So it's time to go, and we will come with another Q&A episode very soon. The Q&A episode will be uploaded on one day in every week, and this one day will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Keep watching Universal Jazz. So stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.